Hi, Pádraig here, McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our 2019 Toyota Corolla. This is the 1.8 hybrid Luna model, finished in a black metallic paint. It's got a low annual road tax of €180. It's got a full Toyota service history. It's sold a 12 months warranty and also with a fresh NCT. Now we'll take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got the front fog lights as standard with daytime running lights. It's got the 16-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with excellent tyres all around. It's got nice clean bodywork. Also, it's got a nice size spacious boot with fold down seats for additional space. Lots of legroom in the back. It's got the ISOFIX for the car seats on both sides, centre armrest and cup holders. It's finished in a navy and grey cloth interior, front armrest also. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors, keyless start, automatic headlights, multifunctional steering wheel with built-in cruise control, phone and radio controls. It's got touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and with auto CarPlay, reversing camera. It's got the air conditioning with the dual climate control, USB and aux port. Being a hybrid, it's got the automatic gearbox. It's got the automatic handbrake with the hill start assist, car SOS function, and there's 108,000 kilometers on the clock. This Toyota Corolla would make an ideal sized family car, and here at McNally Motors we can offer a wide range of finance options to suit your needs. Please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car and also book a test drive. Thanks very much.